Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you one of the really nice product. It's a solar light. The reason I wanted to really share with you so you also can take advantage. I have used many of solar lights and I found this product. This is really bright. It will change. Basically it will enhance the look at night time of your house. These are hanging solar lights. Then I use a box of solar lights. There are many solar lights I use beside these, and they are good solar lights, and they last only 4 to 5 hours. They get charged in the morning, and at night time they run only 4 to 5 hours. These lights, the one I'm going to share with you, they last for 6 to 8 hours. And also it has on-off switch. It has multi-functions, so that is a good thing about it. And the best part of this LEDs is one of the brightest. This one has 108 LEDs. If you're upgrading your house, you want to install the solar light in your front yard or backyard. Basically, you want to do the landscaping. These are the best solar lights I came across. It has a big panel. It recharges it during daytime. At nighttime, they give you ample light. 108 LEDs. I will show you at nighttime the comparison. You will see you can place these LEDs at multi places. You can place it under the trees. You can place it in front of gate, or you can run along your pathways. You can do multi things. I will show you how they look at nighttime. This product is we call Who Use We or W House We. These are waterproof, heat resistant and frost resistant. These are good lights. Let me close in and you will see it. Sheru, come here, no barking. Sheru, come here, boy. Hi, my boy, he started barking here. There is a neighbor dog, and Sheru said, "Why you're barking?" You guys know my Alaskan Malamute. He's my lovely boy. He's doing really well, and he want to say, "I'm doing well." Yes. Okay. Go on, play. So let me close in and you guys will see the lights. And this product is from Who Use We, or we can say W House We. I don't know the exact pronunciation, but this is the company. And this is 108 LED solar lights. And it has a very easy setup. This one has a pole and this one has a screw and the tabbing to close it. And these are the solar lights. I'll show you the performance at nighttime. Once you see it, you're going to say, wow, this is really cool. So we're going to insert it, then we're going to put the screw in. I will tighten it later. You can adjust the angle, you can turn around, you can mount on your roof. This is a good feature. You can go up and down and the way you want to focus the light. This is a good product. Only one thing I would suggest, once you take out of the box, charge for 5 to 6 hours. So once they get charged, then use at night time. And on the back of there is a switch. Press it 3-4 times. It gives you lighter, brighter and a brighter light. And a very nice light. And this is not expensive at all. It's around $30. And the other solar lights also I'm using, they are like $25 to $30. But quite frankly, I don't like these. The look may be enhancing, that they look nice like this one or the other solar lights we have now, like a dangling solar lights, you know, they look fine. But when it comes to the real test, I like it. And my boy is here, he's going to bless it. He bless it. So Sheru going to also enjoy the lights. Go play, go. He's keep coming and keep bothering me. So if we turn it on, at this moment it won't show anything. Let me do something so you guys can see it. If we place something on the top, look at this. 1, 2, get more brighter. 3, very bright, and it turns off. So that's a good thing about it. Regardless if it's nighttime, you don't want the light to be stay on, you can turn it off. Or you can keep it dim, little brighter, very bright, and turn it off. Very sleek, nice design from Hu Houseway. Nighttime. I have a couple other solar lights. I wanted to show it to you how they look. And these two solar lights, they are way too bright. If you look at on the back, that's the street light. And these are the other solar light. And I really like these solar light. You can put it under the tree. I will show you. This is how the tree looks. If you look at right now, I pointed out toward the fruit tree and it's bright. It's very bright. It's only two solar light. It will illuminate the whole area. I'm going to put more of these solar light. The other two solar lights, if I point out towards the tree, you don't see nothing. And the best thing about these solar light, it has on-off switch like this. You press it once, press it twice, press it 3 times. And this is really bright. If you put it right next to the door at night time, look, it's so bright. This is one of the best LEDs so far. I like it. This is really good product, very bright. You can do it a lot of different ways. I really like these. Very bright. If you're looking for the solar light, this is one of the best solar light. This is from Hu Houseway. And I'll provide the link under my description in case if you're looking for it. And thank you again, and I will see you with another DIY project. If you're looking for the cooking videos and delicious cooking in a simple way and simple and delicious, nutritious cooking, please visit my other channel, Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.